Hi friends, today I will show you how to accept a friend request on Discord. First, navigate to the Direct Messages tab on Discord. You can even see the ping there. Then go to the Friends button and click Pending. Here you can see all your friend requests and you can accept or ignore them. If you accept them, you can now see them in your direct messages. You can also text them however you like. Now I will show you how to do this on mobile. Swipe left and go to the Messages tab, click on Friend Requests and accept. Again, you will be able to see them in your direct messages. Thank you for watching the video. Make sure to like and subscribe.